Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Quick catch up after doing my weeding yesterday and today. It is Sunday, I think it's the 30th of July. As you can see, all that's been weeded down there. Pleased about. We come down here, see the salt that I put on yesterday, which I love as a good organic cheap weed killer on paths and patios. Unfortunately, we had some rain last night, so I'll have to reapply it. I like it on for like 2 or 3 days and then I like to water it in. That seems to kill the weeds the best. If you can just see that, we've got a lovely spider there, right in the middle. I don't know if you can see that. So yeah, some beautiful perennial geraniums, absolutely love those. They flower most of the summer. Then we have our beautiful tree lilies there. Come down here to the right hand side. I'm not weeding this because I'm putting some fabric down. You can see that we have a loop in there, self-seeded. Love walking around just picking out the self-seeded plants. Find it really interesting, and that's a good way to get free plants. Just look around and see what's growing in between the weeds when you're weeding, because that way you can get a lot of plants for next year and the years after. Beautiful white phlox, just starting to go over now, but it's still beautifully scented. One of the last day lilies, probably got another 3 or 4 days of these. But you can see, I had a really good crop of them this year. Foxgloves. Beautiful foxglove seeds there. Not if you just see how tiny they are, absolutely. Just do whatever you want them, just chuck some seeds on the floor. That's all I do. Water them in, it's fine. Come down here, just on the lawn. I've weeded all the way around here. You see here, beautiful small scented lily, one of my favourite flowers. Come down here, we have absolutely gorgeous Japanese anemone. I don't know if that's a wasp in there. Very good munch. And down here we have, this is my white pink, if you get what I mean. It's a carnation in the UK, nickname for them is pinks. Next to that, beautiful snapdragon from last year. That's self-seeded as well. But yeah, these Japanese anemones, it's like they're 5 foot, 5.5 foot high, and I just love them. The bees were absolutely nuts for them, and they were free plants. Those, once you get them, you just keep on top of them because they can get a bit out of hand. That was 1 or 2 plants there, as you can see here. Move to the left and move to the right as well. Down here, beautiful lemon hollyhock. Get down here, we have our my hostas, just about getting ready to flower now. Hostas, people don't really, well, a lot of people don't really know they flower, they grow them for the leaves, but I grow them for the flowers because I think the flowers are epic. Come down here, turn round, show you the nice neat lawn. I always love it when it's freshly been cut and trimmed, and the smell is absolutely epic. Around here we have my ivy, going up my tree there. Peonies finished and gone over. Beautiful, beautiful hollyhock. And then down here, this has been my favourite. Sonny! Sonny! It's been my favourite hollyhock this year. This pink has been great. It's not really suffered really badly with rust like some of them do. So that is definitely a keeper, that one. As seen down the bottom, perennial geraniums with some foxgloves. Sonny! Then here we have some phlox. I'll come and let you in a minute, pal. And then as we come along, another bee there hiding in my hollyhock. Here we have Crocosmia, Lucifer this one's called. The colours are blinding. And then we come a bit further around here, we have this penstemon, which is absolutely ace. So a quick look from here. Front garden's looking quite nice. We'll go and have a look at the back border now. Welcome back, folks. This is the back border. Beautiful dahlia. Looking really, really nice. Come down here. We have cornflower there. flowers on that are epic. A bit further around, this all needs weeding. This is getting done this week. We have beautiful grape coloured penstemon, which I love. And the next door, some echinacea that have grown from seed. Absolutely beautiful. We come around here, some achillea. I think it's beautiful. Japanese anemones there. My climber there. Clematis. Beautiful, beautiful flowers here. And these are scented, smell absolutely divine. So yeah, that's a quick whiz around the front and back yard. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody. Please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.